Hey, Pumpkin. She's got little. We had to grease her like a little boxer. Smiling. You get the sleep out of your eye.
Why? Why do you have to grease her? Because was she scratching herself?
No, she's peeling a little bit.
Oh, she's looking pretty attentive there.
Ready?
Hey.
She loves her swing. You gotta see her on that one.
Oh.
She's checking out all that stuff.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, thank you. That's fun.
There you go. You weren't hungry or anything, were you? Savor the 30cc.
Hey, she's looking a little colored today. Is that...
Oh, red? It's
Yeah.
just, I think, because I put...
kind of a red-yellow that...
Well, the Athena Barbara is for the Billy Reuben. Wait, did I say that right? You have about 5 minutes.
Take your time. Don't gulp it. Slow her down, Mom.
Well, you want to grab a blue nipple?
Do you have one?
Yeah, right down. This is the way she likes to burp. It looks like I'm choking her.
Hey, oh, look at her. Turn her head.
Come on, let's go. Oh, sleepyhead. Oh, I know you're hungry more. We'll get to that in 1 second.
Hey,
Okay. Let's try it one more time. Let's see who's got more will. I bet you win. Okay, fine. Let's go. No, this is really the real thing. Promise. It's not a pacifier, I promise. Okay.
It's got to be hard to drink on your back. But
she has no problem. She can drink.
She can drink in her sleep, obviously.
Yeah. They're like always worried about kids who choke. Not her.
Hey, Rainy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Open your eyes there.
Look at Grandpa. Oh, now we're getting down there. Yeah, I think you finished it off. I'll try to get that other part in there. I just don't think I can. Did I get it in there? There's maybe a sip left for you. Let's try the sip. She'll take it. Yeah, there's still a sip in there. You want to polish it off?
Why don't they make flavored nipples or something like that, like strawberry nipples or orange nipples or something?
Well, they don't. They're all ready to eat. They don't. You don't have to entice them to eat.
You know, their taste buds have to develop too, right? Or maybe they don't want them to develop.
That's all fake. Hi, cute. Check out my cute outfit.
Ooh.
Hello.
Very cute.
With the cute blue hat that matches. Excellent. Oh, we were supposed to keep your arm down, huh?
Why keep her arm down? Oh.
Because she's got an
IV or something?
An IV, and they put it like, so if she bends her arm, it stops the IV, and I'm like, you're doing that on a kid who likes to move?
Yeah, she's got to move. Do you exercise her?
Oh, totally.
Oh, yes. That's it. Stretch that arm out. Oh, that arm's been... Hey, I like your hat. Yeah.
Dad picked it out.
Who's that stranger?
So they say that the eye color doesn't come in sometimes till 6 months. That's not us.
What's she gonna be? Like her mom? Green eyes or hazel?
I don't know. Dad's got blue and we've got green. And both of our parents all say that they're gray. So.
No, mine are blue. It's on my driver's license. I can.
Hi.
Ah.
Ooh, milk time. Milk time.
Couple of boring people here. She's very good.
Hi, Pumpkin. She's been pretty quick today.
Oh, good. She's moving around a lot.
I got you caught. Oh, do we have our famous hiccups?
Oh, no.
That's okay. She doesn't mind the hiccups. Watch, I'll scare him out of her. Boo! Sorry. Bad joke. We could try to drink a bottle upside down.
No.
We were doing.
She would try it, though.
Yeah.